Hello and welcome to the ASX Options Investing and Trading series. And in today's video, we'll be looking at options levels. Options are very powerful market tools. And while traders have long been familiar with the opportunities that options can present, particularly to take views and profit from short-term market moves, what's also important to note is that investors can use options. When used in conjunction with a share portfolio, options can be used to reduce overall risk in the market. Another key use of options for investors is increasing portfolio returns. But because these are powerful investment tools, the regulators and your provider work together to give you a journey through options, increasing your knowledge and sophisticated usage of options and demonstrating that as you progress through the options levels. And whether or not you're using the standard platform or the pro platform, you'll be able to find your options levels. In the standard platform, if we go to the settings menu and select trading settings, we'll see that under this heading there are options tradings levels. And clicking on that will take us to the options levels page. From the pro platform, it's just as easy. In the account drop-down menu, the last selection is options trading levels, and it takes us to the same page. And as you can see, there is a step journey through the levels for which investors and traders can qualify to use more and more sophisticated strategies. At level 1, we have the lower risk strategies for investors. All of the level 1 strategies involve buying options. And the reason these can be considered lower risk is that when an investor or trader buys an option, the greatest amount at risk is the initial purchase price. Investors and traders can't lose more than what they initially spend on the option. As we move up in sophistication, and you can do so by pressing a quiz button you'll see as you move to each level. And as we move up to level 2, we look at the first of the short selling strategies. That is the sold option strategy known as the covered call. This is a strategy where investors sell calls against existing shareholdings. And this strategy is very well known all around the globe and used by individual and institutional investors alike. As investors qualify at higher levels, the strategies available become more sophisticated, involving not only long and short options, but multi-leg strategies. And then at the highest level of qualification, we have the outright short selling strategies. And while these might offer significant opportunities in the market, they are at the higher risk end and require aggressive risk management and good knowledge of the options. And as you work your way through your options journey, you'll find that the information available to you and the practice involved in implementing these strategies will help you get a stronger understanding. So start your options investment journey today.